You don't have to do this. You know, you sort of drive a reckless like. But it's okay.
And see if they want to come get it. That way it don't get towed.
The owner?
Or, yeah, the registered owner.
St. Johns County, Florida. A traffic stop conducted by Corporal Hetsler of the St. Johns County Sheriff's Office. 3 documented violations initiated the stop: illegal window tint, expired registration, and stop bar infractions at 2 intersections.
Can you roll down your back window for me?
That again?
Roll down your back window for me?
What?
Because I said so. Roll it down.
I don't.
Roll. Yes, you do for officer safety.
I know my lights.
Okay, you're about to get yanked out of this car in about 2 seconds.
I'm doing it like right now.
Okay, I told you to roll it down so I can see because the window tint is too dark and I need to make sure there's nobody else back there.
Okay, no problem.
I need your license, registration, and insurance, please. I stopped you. You passed the stop bar at every stop sign, 2 different stop signs. Your window tint is too dark and your tag is expired. So there's 3 different reasons why I'm pulling you over today.
Okay, the stop signs I don't pass that. I stop.
You passed the stop bar.
Never.
You did. There's a white line at the stop sign. You passed the stop bar.
I mean, I was behind the car, so how I do that?
No, you weren't. You passed the stop bar on 2 different stop signs.
I didn't do that.
Okay.
And why you open my door? You cannot do that.
What's that?
Why you open my door? You cannot do that.
I can.
There's no reason.
I just told you the reason. You weren't
Because
compliant.
my tint?
You weren't compliant. Yes, you weren't compliant, and you were refusing to roll down your back window so that I could approach you
I can refuse
safely.
about that.
So that I could approach you safely.
Because my safe. I can.
Yes.
I can refuse about that.
No, you cannot.
I can.
You
I know
cannot.
my rights.
You cannot.
Okay. Let's go. Let's see.
Okay, we will see.
¿Está escuchando, verdad? No.
And everything is on camera, just so you know you are being recorded.
No,
License,
yo sé que me va a dar el
please.
ticket.
License.
Wait a minute, I'm
License.
looking for the
Ma'am,
insurance.
I said your license first.
And insurance.
License first. Corporal Hetsler, St. Johns County Sheriff's Office.
Your name.
Corporal Hetsler, St. Johns County Sheriff's Office.
License first.
41, Forest.
Can I look for the insurance now?
The 654 1027, my number. Also, if you have 1 unit code 1, please.
Okay, I need to get it in my phone because I don't have enough paper. I don't see it.
10-4.
No, si el cabrón está bruto, paraba aquí al lado
You have
de
the
mi puerta.
registration?
No.
You don't have the registration? Why not?
I don't have it here.
Okay. Is there any
Maybe
weapons
my
in the car?
house and a different wallet.
Okay. Do you have any weapons inside the vehicle?
Nothing.
Nothing? Okay. Hang tight just a second. Roll your window right about here. Alright, stop. Window tint's at 11%. In the state of Florida has to be 25 or higher, okay? Alright, man. Here's your insurance and your driver's license, okay? Today I went ahead and issued you 4 different citations, okay? First citation is going to be for running the stop sign. You didn't.
I didn't do that.
You stopped past the stop bar.
Okay,
The stop bar.
Okay.
Okay, so you can fight that in court. All the instructions are right here on the back. You have 30 days to pay the fine. That's your first citation. Next citation is for a failure to provide your registration. Okay.
So you say you can open my door just like that and keep going?
Correct. You were non-compliant. You weren't listening to commands. Your window's too dark for me to see it in the back, and for me to safely approach this vehicle, I needed to make sure there wasn't anybody else in the back of the vehicle. There's your second citation.
You can just ask me.
I did ask you.
You don't ask me if I got more people in my car.
It doesn't matter. I need to be able to see with my own eyes. Next citation is your registration's expired. Okay, you have 30 days to pay that. Same thing as the other 2 citations. And your window tint, 11%. In the state of Florida, like I told you, it has to be 25.
You got a radar? Oh,
I issued that vehicle or citations, and then she took off recklessly. I'm trying to catch back up to the vehicle, pull her over again. Turn your vehicle off. What? Turn your vehicle off. You're driving recklessly, now it's criminal. Turn it out.
I drive.
I'm gonna break your window. You got 3 seconds before I'm gonna break your window. Roll down your window.
Sir.
Roll down your window now.
Sir.
Roll down your window now. Get out of the vehicle.
Don't touch me.
Turn off the car. Turn off the car. Get out of the vehicle.
Don't do that.
Get out of the vehicle.
You don't have to do this.
Turn around. Alright, take your
I got you.
search, make sure
Yeah.
she's not searching, but pat her down.
Stay suspect for me. You got any weapons on you, anything? Any guns, knives?
You cannot search my car. Hey, you cannot search my car.
Huh?
You cannot search my car.
I'll come and do an inventory on it.
Is she going?
Yeah, she's going for reckless driving and resisting without violence.
You got a...
41 Porcino, stamp me off in number, I'll get it from the screen. Just put her in David. David can take her. Hey, you could just 10-5 her there, and I'll send my 707 to the jail. I'll do the inventory.
Can I make a call? We'll get your phone.
First, make sure there's like no drugs or anything else.
What side do you order on?
This front side right here.
This side?
Well, yeah, it's traffic. That's fine. Unless you still got to pat her down, right? Yeah, let's.
Other side?
Yeah, the other side is fine.
Right here. Just face the car for me.
Can I make a call?
Not right now.
Before.
When you get to the jail, you can.
But I need it right now because my kids.
I guess you should have thought about that before, you started driving recklessly.
But it's okay. I just drive on the limit. I don't drive over the limit. I drive on the limit, under the limit.
You got anything in your bra?
No. Just make a call to make sure my kids and my brother know that I'm leaving to jail, and that's it. That's all I ask. It's only for my kids.
Okay.
So let me tell them that I'm going to jail so they know that I'm not coming back. Can I do that?
Spread your legs for me.
Say what?
Spread your legs for me.
Like this?
Yep.
Just let me make a call.
Okay. Have a seat in the vehicle.
Hey, listen. I'm gonna let you call the RO of this vehicle and see if they want to come get it. That way it don't get towed.
The owner?
Or yeah, the registered owner. Who is that?
You have to be the owner?
Yeah. It's got to be. We have to release it to the registered owner.
I can call my brother, but the owner is mine. That car is mine.
Yeah, but it's in somebody else's name.
Yeah, but he's in jail. He's my husband.
He's in jail?
Yeah. But why they searching my car too? I say I don't want it. They search.
Well, incident to arrest. Incident to arrest. It can be
Yeah,
inventory.
but they arrest because they stop me because tint and all that. It doesn't mean that they can search.
Well, incident to arrest. When we're doing an inventory, we have to inventory because it can get towed. So that's why we're giving you the option to.
But can I call them? My brother, he can figure out because the insurance is by his name too. The insurance is my name and my brother's name.
I can see. I normally we have to release it to the RO, the registered owner of the vehicle.
So
if we can't get in contact with the registered owner of the vehicle, we have to tow it. Okay. But you're saying he's in jail.
Yeah, he's in jail, and I mean the insurance.
Where is that at?
Right here.
He's in St. Johns County jail?
Yeah.
All right, stand by.
He's
in jail. She's saying the registered RO is in jail, but it's best if you do it that way anyway because incident to arrest is better for the search.
Yeah. I'm gonna tow it. So I'm doing the tow sheet right now. You could just 10-5 over there to the jail, and then I'll just tell the jail that I'm emailing them.
Florida Statute Section 316.2952 requires rear side windows on sedans to permit a minimum of 15% visible light transmission. The vehicle's rear window measured 11%. This is a measurable documented violation, not a matter of officer discretion. Pennsylvania v. Mims 1977 established that officers may order a driver to exit a vehicle during a lawful traffic stop as a matter of routine officer safety. Maryland v. Wilson 1997 extended this authority to all vehicle occupants. The Florida Supreme Court reaffirmed this doctrine in State v. Kreller 2024, holding that officer safety measures during a lawful stop are constitutionally permissible where a specific safety basis is articulated. 4 citations were issued under Florida statute stop bar violation. Section 316.306, failure to produce registration. Section 320.02, expired registration. Section 320.07, and illegal window tint. Sections 316.295 through 316.2954. At this point, the encounter is civil in nature. No arrest authority has attached. The legally correct response is to contest citations in court within 30 days. The subject's departure before the officer returned to his vehicle triggered reclassification of the encounter. Florida Statute Section 316.192 defines reckless driving as operation with willful or wanton disregard for the safety of persons or property. A contemporaneous stop sign violation narrated by the officer on radio provided the criminal predicate. The stop did not conclude, it escalated. Under Rodriguez v. United States, 2015, a traffic stop may not be extended beyond the time necessary to resolve the original violation without independent reasonable suspicion. Here, the subject, not the officer, generated the new criminal predicate through her own conduct. Rodriguez does not constrain redetention under these circumstances. The inventory search discussion raises the most significant Fourth Amendment issue in this footage. Colorado versus Bertine 1987 permits inventory searches prior to impound only when conducted pursuant to standardized departmental criteria and not as a pretext for criminal investigation. An on-camera statement indicating the search would check for drugs introduces language inconsistent with an administrative inventory and would constitute strong grounds for suppression under the pretext doctrine. Arizona v. Gant 2009 holds that a vehicle search incident to arrest is valid only if the arrestee remains unsecured and within reaching distance of the passenger compartment or if evidence of the arrest offense may reasonably be found. Inside, with the subject secured in a patrol unit, neither condition applies. Search authority rests solely on the inventory doctrine, making compliance with standardized departmental procedures legally essential. Florida Statute Section 843.02, resisting an officer without violence requires proof that the officer was engaged in the lawful execution of a legal duty at the time of resistance. The lawfulness of the underlying arrest is therefore an element of this charge. A successful challenge to the reckless driving predicate would dissolve the resisting charge as well. These charges are legally dependent. Lesson 4. Civil traffic citations carry no arrest, no criminal record, and no conviction. One decision to depart before the encounter concluded converted those citations into 2 criminal charges. A conviction, 6 months probation, community service, a driver improvement course, and a compelled letter of apology. The court is the correct forum to challenge disputed citations. Departing the scene is not